For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a masonry business can be a rewarding venture if you have the skills and passion for working with stone, brick, and concrete. Masonry is a specialized trade that requires precision, creativity, and strong work ethics. Today, artificial intelligence, AI, tools can help aspiring entrepreneurs to streamline the process of launching a masonry business, from planning and marketing to managing operations. This guide will walk you through a step-by-step approach on how to start your masonry business using free AI tools, maximizing efficiency and reducing costs. Step 1. Research and define your business model. Before launching, it's important to understand the masonry market and determine what services you want to offer. Do you want to focus on residential projects, commercial work, restoration, or custom stonework? Use free AI research assistants like ChatGPT to analyze local market trends, competitors, and customer needs. Example ChatGPT prompt. Help me analyze the masonry market in your city/state. What are the common services offered, average pricing, and customer demands? This will give you insights into the niche to target and help you position your business effectively. Step 2. Create a business plan using AI. A solid business plan is the foundation of any successful company. Use AI tools such as ChatGPT or Google Bard to help draft a comprehensive business plan that covers your mission, services, target market, pricing strategy, startup costs, and financial projections. Example ChatGPT prompt. Create a detailed business plan for a small masonry business focused on residential brick and stone installation, including startup costs, marketing strategies, and revenue forecasts. These AI tools can generate professional drafts quickly, which you can then customize according to your specifics. Step 3. Develop your brand and marketing strategy. Branding and marketing are crucial for attracting customers. Use AI-powered design tools like Canva, free tier available, for creating a business logo, social media graphics, and flyers. Canva's AI design suggestions and templates make it easy for beginners. For marketing strategy, you can leverage ChatGPT to develop a multi-channel plan including local SEO, social media marketing, and referral programs. Example ChatGPT prompt. Create a 3-month marketing plan for a masonry business targeting homeowners in your city, focusing on social media, local SEO, and direct outreach. Step 4. Register your business and handle legal requirements. Although AI won't complete this step for you, it can guide you through the process. Use ChatGPT to understand business registration requirements, licensing, permits, and insurance needs in your area. Example ChatGPT prompt. What licenses and permits do I need to start a masonry business in your state/country? What are the insurance requirements? This will help ensure your business is compliant and protected legally. Step 5. Budget and finance planning. Use AI tools like Google Sheets combined with AI chat assistants to create a budget template and track expenses and revenue forecasts. ChatGPT can help by generating budget plans based on your inputs. Example ChatGPT prompt. Help me create a startup budget and cash flow projection for a masonry business with $20,000 initial capital. Managing your finances effectively will keep your business sustainable and ready for growth. Step 6. Source equipment and materials. Masonry requires specific tools and materials such as trowels, mixers, scaffolding, bricks, and mortar. Use AI search tools and product review aggregators, like Google Shopping with AI-powered filters, to find affordable, quality suppliers. Example ChatGPT prompt. What essential tools and equipment do I need to start a small masonry business? And where can I buy them affordably online? This step will help you build a reliable inventory without overspending. Step 7. Build a professional website. A website acts as your digital storefront. Use AI website builders like Wix's free tier or Zyro with AI content generation to create a professional site. These platforms provide AI tools that generate text, images, and SEO optimization. Example, ChatGPT prompt. Write homepage content for a masonry business specializing in brickwork and stone installation in your location. Step 8. Manage customer relations and schedule jobs. Use free AI-powered CRM, customer relationship management, tools like HubSpot's free plan or Zoho CRM to track leads, manage client communications, and schedule appointments. ChatGPT can assist in drafting email templates or follow-up messages. Example, ChatGPT prompt. Write a professional email template to follow up with potential masonry clients after an initial consultation. Organizing client interactions improves customer satisfaction and repeat business. Step 9. Create social media content and ads. AI tools like ChatGPT and Lumen 5, free plans available, can help you generate engaging social media posts and videos promoting your masonry services. ChatGPT can write captions, while Lumen 5 can turn blog posts or text into video content. Example, ChatGPT prompt. Generate 5 social media post ideas for promoting a masonry business, focusing on craftsmanship and local projects. Regular posting helps build your brand presence and attracts new customers. Step 10. Continuously improve skills and business operations. Leverage AI for ongoing learning. Use platforms like Coursera or Khan Academy to access free masonry-related courses or business management training. ChatGPT can summarize complex materials or help brainstorm ideas to improve service delivery. Example, ChatGPT prompt. Suggest online resources to learn advanced masonry techniques and business management for small contractors. Staying updated ensures your business remains competitive and high quality. Conclusion. Starting a masonry business today is more accessible thanks to free AI tools that simplify planning, marketing, management, and learning. By following these steps, researching your market, creating a solid business plan, developing a brand, handling legalities, budgeting wisely, sourcing equipment, building an online presence, managing customers, creating content, and continually improving your skills, you can build a strong foundation for a successful masonry business. Embracing AI tools like ChatGPT, Canva, HubSpot, and AI website builders enables you to reduce startup costs and make data-driven decisions, giving you an edge in this traditional trade. With determination and smart use of technology, your masonry business can lay the bricks for a prosperous future. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.